guys, how's it going? We are back with another take and make kit. What are we making this week? Well, we're sticking with the great outdoors and we are making these easy peasy lemon squeezy little bird feeders. You can hang on your tree, you can hang on some low-lying branches. Right now is a great time to put out a bird feeder as a lot of migrating birds are coming through. The snow is melting, they're looking for little snacks and lunches. They are out everywhere. You get up in the morning and you can hear them chirping. And it reminds you that summer is on the way, the warm weather is here. So let's make some bird feeders so you can feed your little feathery friends in the backyard. Let's go. All right, guys, let's get making. So you stopped by the library and you've picked up your bag of bird seed. You've got peanut butter, you've got your toilet paper roll, and you got some string. So let's put together our bird feeder. So I have a paper plate set up here. It's probably the easiest way is if you find a plate or like a low-edged bowl and to put out all your bird seed. Okay, so now that we've got this done, we're going to take our toilet paper roll, a knife, and our delicious peanut butter. And we're going to take our peanut butter and we are going to spread it all around our toilet paper roll. And there should be lots in there, so you don't have to be, you want to make sure that you've got enough peanut butter in here that the your bird seed is going to stick onto your tube, because if you put it too thin, there's not going to be enough to hold all of the bird seed on with. It smells good. It's making me a little hungry. I love peanut butter. And if you have a peanut butter allergy and you want to make one of these at home, you can always substitute for a non-nut butter, a wow butter of some sort. It's really just the glue that holds your bird seed on, so whatever you choose should be safe enough for your birds. All right, just about done. I'm gonna flip it around here. All right, now for the good stuff. Now we can take our peanut butter covered roll and we're just gonna press it and roll it into our bird seed. Make sure you try and get as much bird seed on it as you can. There we go. Look at that. It looks delicious. I'm sure all the little birdies will appreciate it. Okay, so now that you've got this covered really well, you're just gonna take it and you're gonna leave it sit. Leave it sit for probably at least an hour, maybe 2 hours, so that your peanut butter is kind of, you know, hardened up a little bit. And once you're done with that, I'll just do it now for the sake of time. I sent you home with a piece of green string. You are just going to pick up your roll and feed your string through. And then we're just going to tie a little bow, a little knot, however you like, in our string. And then you can take this bad boy and go hang it up outside on one of your trees. Birds really like spruce trees, so like your evergreens and stuff like that, you can hang it on a branch there. If you have any low branch fruit trees, that's always good, or near a water source. Birds like to be close to water sources. So yeah, hang them up and hopefully you have a whole bunch of cute little birdies coming and munching on your bird feeder. I also thought I should mention, if you have extra peanut butter, you can make another bird feeder. If you don't want to make another bird feeder, you just eat your peanut butter. So it's a craft and a snack all at the same time. So we are essentially #winning. See you soon, guys. Bye.